And we got more. Oh yeah. You might need to pick that one out. Can we get your pick? Yes.
Hey, pick's right there.
That's some good material there.
Woo-wee. Let's see what we got.
Still down in that. Yeah. Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, look at that good material. Yeah. Got it out. Check the hole again. Yep, you got it.
What we got?
First scoop. Look at that. You. We know that's gonna be some gold.
Woo!
Yeah, that sounds good. In the hand.
Already.
You. Yeah.
All right, this is annoying, huh?
So just like when you watch those guys on YouTube, you go, just hurry up, just scoop it out, dude. Quit looking for it. Oh, that's in some of that chunky stuff there. Okay, this is like a 3-minute long video now.
I found it.
Found it. Okay, yeah, put that in your mouth. Let's see it.
Hold on.
You're gonna have to cut this one. Nobody wants to watch 3 minutes. Unless we were doing YouTube, that'd have been great. This is for our TNT YouTubes. Oh,
Piece of gold. Little nugget.
nice.
Yeah.